Hi, I wanted to say happy holidays from Eat Well Nutrition. I want to thank everybody for following my YouTube videos, watching them, liking them, and making comments. I really appreciate that. And in celebration of the holidays, I am going to make cranberry sauce. This is one of my favorite things to make during the holidays. It's got really only 4 ingredients, really easy. And I think the secret ingredient to cranberry sauce is that it has an orange in it, which makes it just a little bit different and super tasty. So I'm gonna do a quick video on how to make that, and then leave me a comment below of your favorite quick and easy holiday recipes, because we all need more ideas of those since we're all so busy. All right, happy holidays.